Welcome back. Now, in addition to the users area, you also have the site area, which we reviewed in another video. You also have the sales area, and this will not be relevant until you have actual transactions. However, you will be able to look at your individual transactions. You'll be able to look at your statements over time. You'll be able to look at an analysis of your sales. And one of the things that you'll notice is that if you have the professional plan, you will be able to add in an upsell button to your offers. And so it's in this section that you will be able to track what your upsells are doing as you create them inside of Teachable. The next section down will be your email section. And so what you can do is you can send emails to all of the individuals inside of your school. You'll also be able to select individuals within specific courses when you actually create those courses. What you'll also notice in the email section is that you have a template editor. And the template editor is for all of the automated emails that Teachable will be sending out on your behalf. So for example, you can see that you can select a specific template. The default will start with the receipt template. If we select the receipt template, we're going to be able to make customizations to this template here in this area. Now, before you start making customizations, it's a good idea for you to look at the preview so that you know what you're customizing. And you'll see that in the right-hand corner. So we're going to click Preview, and we're going to take a look at what the template looks like as it is without any customizations at all. And if you know HTML code, you can make customizations to the template. Again, if you don't know HTML coding, it's probably not a good idea to make too many customizations to the template. So for example, let's assume that we went to this line and we added in another line here. And you're going to see that line written in here. What we're going to do is we're going to click Save. And once we've done that, you'll see that it says template has been updated. What we're then going to do is we're going to click the Preview button so that we can see our changes here written into the template. So once again, if you understand HTML or CSS code, you can start working with some of these templates to add in specific things. However, the default templates work well on their own. And finally, you're going to see settings for your emails. And these are all of the student notifications that will be sent out by Teachable. So for example, by default, your student will get a certificate of completion. If you don't want that to be sent, you can untick that. You can decide that they will not be notified if there are comments. You can opt not to have them receive notification of drip content. And basically, this gives you control over how many notifications that your customer is going to be sent. And once again, if you're going to edit any of these templates, you can go back to the template editor and you can find the appropriate template and you can determine what will be sent in those emails. And once again, if you want to turn them back on, you can do that. If you want to go back to your template editor and you want to reset that template editor, you can do that by clicking this Reset button. This will delete all of your changes. This will take the template back to the way it was. You can then preview that template. You'll then notice that the changes that you made are no longer present. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.